EXPE stock is super interesting. Is it a buy? In this 1-minute video, I'm covering all this. Look, I am the only guy in this space, in this stock trading, option trading space, has done 40,000 videos and actually documented them all. Taken it 5 years, tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, so it's not small D. From a first glance, I'm marking up my range as such, right? Because like, let's go and look at it from a broader picture. Well, yeah, I understand that we're in this correction phase, but it's kind of gappy as well. But as long as there is a shift, then there's nothing technically stopping me from buying. So how's this going to look like? Yes, it's a demand zone, but buying will just not make sense to me, because on what freaking bedrock are we buying? On what rules? That's not following an edge. And I would rather stick to an edge that I've tested and refined over 40,000 videos, right? 5 years. So only if there's that confirmation happening here and that I need more candles, therefore more time needs to pass, then and only then I'm going to be looking to buy. Other than that, really, I'm not going to look to for longs whatsoever. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description and get my free emails.